Let us all learn Mumbai special Pav Bhaji. 10 onions, 14 tomatoes, around 17 potatoes, heat the pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of hing, make the puree of all the vegetables, grind them well, make a puree and add in the oil. Cook until all the moisture gets evaporated. Add chopped capsicum, add Pav Bhaji Masala around 2 tablespoons, add Red Chilli Powder around 2 tablespoons and lots of butter around 2 tablespoons. Enjoy creamy Pav Bhaji. Wait, lot more to come. Add boiled cauliflower and green peas, mash them and add it in the mixture. Just cook well, stir it until the color does not change. Now you have to add boiled and mashed potatoes. Pav Bhaji tastes so well only on the slow flame, so let it cook on the slow flame. You have to mash it like a professional. Now add magic taste, that is salt. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix well. Of course, you have to add 1 glass of water. Now you have to mix well. Hooray! Your bhaji is ready. Let it cook on the slow flame and enjoy the aroma. Enjoy with onions, tomatoes, lime and butter. Of course, pav and bhaji. This is Mumbai special Pav Bhaji. Serve hot. Look how delicious it looks, isn't it?